balikan natin yung mga highlights ng ating laro. Makikita natin yung gitgitan sa unahan nga ang ating tema para sa araw na to dahil these two are the league leaders so far. But Jason Castro, sabi nga kanina ni James White, talagang how can you not respect the best point guard in Asia?
You know, he's really been noticed by so many players all over the world already as one of the, top point guards in Asia. At bakit naman hindi? Talagang iba na yung klase talaga yung talent level. Another pickup for Talking Tex or TNT is Michael Ammons, who really played a good all-around game as well for the Tropang TNT.
Inside, si Agovida, he had his moments of brilliance, but still not the kind of contribution na ini-expect sa kanya ni Coach Chris.
Well, that's the good thing about the team of Mahindra. Is not only do they have a guy coming off the bench in Agovida needed to produce, guys like Paulo Taha, even Ginto, De Gregorio, they also made their contribution. In fact, I did mention to you, Anthony, that there were 6 players already who scored 8 points or more. And at that stage of the game, Tropang TNT only had 2 players or 3 players. So it speaks well of the depth and the contribution of all the players of Mahindra.
Bagatsing started his ball game, had a solid contribution para sa kanyang grupo. But again, Castro attacks with abandon from the outside. Dito mo talagang ang init pati si Chito Jaime Maitres.
In the beginning, Mahindra, when they weren't really winning many games, it was all about LA Revilla. Pero dito, makikita mo, dami na nagko-contribute.
And they're slowly but surely entering the latter stage of this game. KG Canaleta couldn't hit, but this was a big putback galing kay White.
Malaking bagay ito because dito na rumaratsyada ang TNT and they were really making a run. Pero, James White really was always ready to step in. And this is another of those highlights of James White. Kita mo yung score, although sabihin natin 7 points, 6 points pa rin yung diferensya. Critical yan because yan yung mga pamatay sunog na ginawa ni James White.
Let's look at the leading scorers. White with 24, Taha with 15, Canaleta with 13, Revilla with a solid 12. Sa kabilang pa ni Castro with 33 points. Those are import-like numbers. Ammons with 20, Bonashare with 13, and Rosario with 11.
Something new comes up.